Hello everyone, Willie Bulletman here. Well, I did 2 coats on the cylinder, and today is the revolver part, the body of the revolver. Got some pitting. Come on, too much light. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but I took some pictures of it. You can see the pitting on top. Kind of hard to tell, but I got a lot of pitting up there, up on top. Well, you can see it a little bit right there. That's going to all disappear pretty much. The frame isn't in that bad a shape. So per my wife, I have to wear a respirator. I haven't worn one the whole time I've been doing this, but oh well. I'll wear it for her to make her happy. Now I got to get this thing ready to start spraying the chemical out. There we go, it's starting to come out. Alright. As you can tell, I'm just using a little airbrush compressor. I could turn my big compressor on, but why do that? This works just fine. I'm going to bring the pressure up just a little bit and actually increase the load coming out just a little bit. Let's take a look. There we go. That's a nice coat. You don't want to make it so it runs, so this is going to take several coats. You just wait for it to flash and do another coat. This is going to cover up good on this compared to the cylinder. The cylinder was in bad shape. Just got to let that flash a little bit more. Trying to stay away from the barrel itself because of the writing. I don't want to fill that in at all. I'm not going to get all the pitting out of it, but after several coats, it took a lot of the cylinder pitting out already. It took a tremendous amount out. I was really shocked how much it took out. Like that right there is done. The trigger assembly, that's done. That'll fill it in completely. Should have thought ahead and got a pencil out here to hold this up. Gonna have to wait a little bit, so I'm gonna stop you guys for right now because I gotta let this flash for a little bit, and that's like drying paint. Alright guys, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've done several coats, so I'm just gonna let this dry and put some more on. Hello everyone on YouTube land, Willie Bulletman here. Well, I got a few corrections. This is gonna be round 1 on the frame, round 3 on the cylinder. I decided to spray a little more top coat of the Durafil on the cylinder, just a little bit more light coat, trying to fill in those last little bit of pitting. I can't get them all out, but I got a lot of them. Right now it's 15 after 6 on Tuesday. Now I can't sand it until 10 o'clock. That sucks. 4 hours. Also, I stated that my wife wanted me to wear a respirator. It wasn't a respirator. It was just a mask. I misspoke. So I want to clarify that. And I'm going to put this out on YouTube. Let everyone see it. And I'll take some pictures after the first sanding. Thanks, guys.